How to fix Halo Infinite login issue. If you want to fix Halo Infinite login issue, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply right click on your taskbar and then go with Task Manager. And here, if you have your Halo Infinite application, you need to just simply go and right click on it. And then you'll find an option of End Task. You need to go and end the task. After ending your task, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your browser. And here, you need to search for Halo Infinite server status. And then you will find Down Detector. You need to scroll down, and here, as you can see, that user reports show no current problems with Halo Infinite, which means that it doesn't have any problems right now. Now, the third solution is you just need to simply go back and then search for CMD and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and you will have this kind of interface. So, the first command you need to type is ipconfig space / renew and then hit the enter. After that, you need to go with the second command, which is ipconfig space / release. Then ipconfig space / flush DNS. Then the last command is netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done this, you can close this down and then try to relaunch the game. So if the game still has issues, you can try uninstalling the game. You can go with your control panel or just simply go and search for add or remove programs. From here, it will take you to the settings section. Here, you need to search for Halo Infinite. And if you found the application, you need to click on the application and then go with uninstall. And again, go and reinstall it. After reinstalling, the problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.